everyone. In the previous video, we have learned how to install Microsoft Teams from the Office 365 ID.
If you want to create your own team, then we have to click on Create or Join Team. So further, after successfully installation of Teams application, the very next step is creating a new class team. Because you will be conducting remote training sessions, remote teaching lessons for your students. So you firstly have to create a team for your class. The first step is click on Join or Create Team. As you are creating the team for the very first time, click on Create Team. But if you want to join already existing team, you can also do that by entering the team code. So currently we are going to learn how to create a new team, new class team for remote teaching. Click on class team type. So when we create a team, we first thing have to specify is the name of the team. For example, BSc Honors Chemistry, 3rd Sem. You can also type in description, but it is an optional thing. You can simply click on Next. Next step is to add the students and teachers. You can add co-teachers. You can add students as the member of the team. So you can type in name of the student. The moment you type the name of the student, some names reflect in the downward, you can say, list box. You just have to identify the student by its unique number which is associated with the child. So whatever is the child, you can just select it and you can just keep on adding. You can see it is automatically searching it from the database and it is showing you all those students who are with the same ID. So you can just identify the student with its admission number and you can select, followed by adding up the teachers. You can select the teachers. So here it's Sangeeta Talwar ma'am. So you select the co-teacher and click on Add. So here I have also selected the students, but I have to click on Add to make them the member of the team. So I'm just taking some dummy students. You can just carefully do that. This is the co-teacher. After selecting all the members of the team, we can do Close. Now the team has been successfully created and this is the team dashboard. This is the main screen which appears for the team that you have created.
And we have successfully created the team BSc Honors Chemistry 3rd semester. Now let us learn how to use this team for remote teaching. To go for the team and use its various applications like remote teaching, like sharing resources, we have to double click on the team. This will take us to the team's dashboard. On the left hand side, you can see the icon. You can customize your team with a picture. Below that, you can see the name of the team. It is the same that you specified at the time of creation. Below that, you can see there is General written. This is the general channel which is available by default in every team. According to your courses, different papers that you teach for a particular semester to a group of students, you can add as many channels as you want. And you can customize your team with the help of more options in front of the team name. So just have a look at how we can customize our team. The first option is Manage Teams. Manage Teams is used to do the all settings to ensure the security of the team. Followed by that is the Add Channels. Let us go for Add Channels. Let us suppose you are teaching a paper based on inorganic chemistry. So you can create a channel. Again, you can specify the description, but this is optional. Privacy standards is accessible to everyone, that is all the members of the team. Click on Add. You can see another channel has been added. Like that, if there are 2 or 3 co-teachers teaching one semester, so they can create their personal channels in which they can share the resources and conduct meetings. Let us go back to the general channel and see the different options available in the window. At the top you can see the name of the channel, followed by the various options like posts, files, class notebook, assignments and grade. Let us go for the first option, posts. Posts are used to share the various resources with the students, and here we can post all the announcements for all the students which are the member of the team. The first option available here is the text box in which I can type the welcome message. So let us start the post by typing a welcome message for the students. Just by pressing enter, the message is posted to all the members. As you can see, name of the teacher along with the message and the time is being reflected, and the members can reply to this. Below the option of specifying the message, you can see there are few buttons available. The first button is formatting of the text. Whatever we type as the conversation message or announcement, we can format it to make it attractive. It's quite optional and we generally don't use it. The other options like attachment and meet now, they are often used. So here you can see attachment. This is a very important button which is used for sharing files and resource material with students. So I can just click on attach. And then I can click on upload from my computer. So whatever files I have in my computer, any resource material I have prepared for the students, I can select from upload my computer. Let us suppose this is the PowerPoint presentation or a PDF or anything which I have prepared. I just select it from here. I can click on open. Now you can see the file is uploaded as an attachment in the posts. I can specify a message for the students. Please go through the resource material. And I can click on send. Now this file along with the resource material message is being posted for all the students. Now how students can get it? They can just press these 3 buttons and click on the download option. And they can easily download the material on their computer, go through it at their leisure and pre-prepare for the meeting. This was the attachment option. Followed by that is the emoji. So whatever conversation is going on, you can specify the emoji for that and you can give your reply for it. like you do in the phones by specifying emojis, GIF images and stickers, you can convey your emotions for a conversation going on. Now we can see there are 3 buttons. These 3 buttons provide us with various applications that we can use in Microsoft Teams. So if anything is not available here, we can go for the applications. You can also share files with students with the help of Files tab. There is an upload option in the Files tab. You can click on Upload, select the file from My Computer and click on Open. Now the file is uploaded and the students can refer to this file. They can download it on their system by selecting the file and click on Download button. And the file is available to them for reference. Now let us learn how we can actually schedule a meeting, a remote meeting for teaching. There is a button called Meet at the top and right hand side. When I click on the downward arrow, I get 2 options, Meet Now and Schedule a Meeting. Meet Now option is for scheduling an instant meeting, whereas Schedule a Meeting can be done in advance. So if you want to take a class tomorrow, you can schedule a meeting in advance and the update about the meeting is sent to all the participants. So let us learn how to schedule a meeting. Click on Schedule a Meeting and you get a meeting scheduling dialog box. Now in this dialog box, you first specify the title of the meeting. Let us suppose the title is Coordination Chemistry. You can add the list of all participants who are going to attend the meeting. At the same time, it is optional. You can leave that. So automatically the message goes to all the participants which are there in the team. Let us specify the date and time. For example, if you want to set the meeting for Monday, 27th July, select the date. Time is 9 AM to 10 AM. Let us suppose you want to take the meeting every Monday. So your class is scheduled every Monday at 9 AM. So you can set the repetition pattern as weekly. So you can see it flashes the message that the meeting occurs every Monday starting from 27th of July. You can specify the channel and the team in which you want to schedule the meeting by selecting the appropriate team and the channel. By default, it is automatically selected from where we have gone for scheduling a meeting. Okay, so then you can also add the location from where you are conducting the meeting, which is optional, and you can also write the description or details about the meeting. After specifying all these things, you can click on Send. Now when you click on Send, a message is sent to all the participants of the meeting, that is the members of the team. They will get a notification of the title of the meeting, the day and time when the meeting has been scheduled. So this is how we have successfully scheduled a meeting. We can also schedule our meeting with the help of calendar option. So we can click on Calendar, select the day, and we have to select the appropriate time slot, and we can specify all those things again, like title of the meeting, date, time, repetition pattern and channel, and we can click on save. The meeting will be saved in our calendar. So here you can see at 9 a.m. coordination chemistry is the topic of the meeting. The owner of the meeting, organizer of the meeting's name is also reflected, and you can see it is being scheduled from 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. Let us go back to Teams. Now to join a meeting, click on the three dots button, that is the More Options button, and click on View Meeting Details. And here you have the Join option. So we can click on Join and we can start with the meeting. We have to carefully switch off our camera and switch off our microphone before actually clicking on Join Now option. As we click on Join Now, we can see now we are into the meeting and waiting for others to join. Here you can see the meeting toolbar is available. All the options required for the meeting settings and conducting the meeting are available on the meeting toolbar.